Hey everyone, how's it going? Dylan here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, we have multiple stimulus bill updates, stimulus check plan updates that we're going to be discussing today. So you want to stay tuned till the very end and watch all the way to get all the updates to see, because there's some big updates on when that stimulus check money could be coming and also when it might not be coming. And the size of the stimulus check said by President Donald Trump needs to be big. So hopefully, I'm rooting with all of us together for that second stimulus bill to be bigger than the last one, and also help low income people who really need that money, who are behind on their rent payments, people are behind on their mortgages, people who need money in their bank account today, people who are facing 30 eviction notices. I'm in the Facebook group, guys. I'm in your shoes. I'm also hoping to get this stimulus check money. So if you do like these stimulus check updates, please do me one simple favor and please smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm so we can get more people this money. If you do appreciate these daily stimulus update videos, smash that thumbs up button. I really appreciate it. It helps out this channel tremendously and we really appreciate your support. And also, if you do want to see daily stimulus update videos, subscribe and we'll be going over every single update that does occur as necessary. And again, I'm going over through hours and hours of research and compiling into these quick 7 to 10 minute videos so you guys can digest them in the simplest way possible, so you don't need to read any other news sources if you don't want to. I mean, you're totally welcome to. But anyways, before I get into the multiple updates with both Mitch McConnell, Stephen Mnuchin, and Donald Trump himself, and as well of a New Jersey governor who is pushing for the Senate, we are going to go into that. Before I do, if you do want to earn some extra money right now, if you need some money to pay for your rent, I'm gonna leave links down below to sign up for Uber or for Lyft. I myself am currently an active Uber and Lyft driver, and I do use that money to invest, and I urge you to do so as well. If you want, if you need the money, if you use the links down below, you'll get a sign-up bonus or guarantee of up to $2,400, and this works everywhere in the United States. And also, if you do want to sign up for Yada Savings, I personally use Yada Savings. This is my new savings account. I use Bank of America. I use Yada Savings. Yada Savings pays you up to $10 million every single week. So if you sign up with my link and code down below, you'll get 100 bonus tickets, so you can win up to $10 million every single week. If you deposit $2,500, you can also get 100 tickets, or you can just deposit 10 bucks, use my link and code, and you'll get 100 tickets. So you're basically getting a $2,500 worth of tickets for Yada Savings. Link in the description. Okay, now let's get started. So here's what we're looking at today. We got what Donald Trump has said about a new stimulus bill since the last round of stalled negotiations. So together, we're just gonna take a quick look at, a quick summary of everything that's going on. Donald Trump looks very happy there. Why? Because, my friends, he's trying to get a new stimulus bill passed before the election, but if he can't, he's gonna try to do it. He's already promised to get one done as soon as he does, if he does get elected. So we'll see what happens. In a week, President Donald Trump, from halting stimulus negotiations until November 3rd, to pushing for legislators to go big or go home. You can see there's a drastic change going on every single day. This is why it's really important to watch these daily update videos. On October 6th, Trump announced on Twitter that he instructed his representatives, Steve Mnuchin and Mark Meadows, to stop negotiating a package until the election. Mnuchin is the Treasury Secretary and Mark Meadows is the White House chief. In the 6 tweets since the announcement, Trump advocated for a standalone bill for stimulus checks, advised Democrats and Republicans to focus on a significant package, and criticized House Speaker Nancy Pelosi for not caring about Americans. Guys, I actually did watch I was watching CNN, I believe it was CNN this morning or last night, and yeah, it was last night. I was drinking my wine, sitting back, and my goodness, guys, just take a look at this footage because this is absolutely crazy. I don't know if you guys are watching the news every night, but I prepare for these videos by watching the news every night. Take a look. So for the standalone bill, this is huge news because this could actually be a second bill. So if technically 2 separate bills would be passed, one that would of course include unemployment, PPP, aid for small businesses as well as Americans and for children. $1,000 checks per child is what Donald Trump has tweeted you know, pretty recently. He does also want to create a second bill just for stimulus checks, just to get money into your, you know, your pocket. If you're watching this and you need money, this could be really important. The halt negotiation lasted less than 3 full days, and on October 9th, Trump signed off on a $1.8 trillion package, up from the $1.6 trillion deal that was on the table. So, guys, things happen quickly. On October 6th, Donald Trump said no more negotiation. October 9th, he signed a bill. This is, or he signed a package, a deal, rather. So the Democrats are pushing for a $2.2 trillion bill. Pelosi rejected the $1.8 trillion offer. So, yeah, she doesn't like how the money is being allocated. She criticized the administration for its restriction on how states could use the funds and for not doing enough in the bill to stop the spread of the new illness. And that's a key factor in providing a long-term relief. As you know, I was watching last night on CNN, Pelosi was saying that, you know, because of the way the illness was handled, we shouldn't really be in this position. But since we are, we need to do something about it. Furthermore, Mnuchin says he does not expect a stimulus bill before the election. Why is this important? Because he is the Treasury Secretary. If the Treasury Secretary in the White House is saying he doesn't expect a bill, he's the guy who runs the whole thing. He's probably correct. So that's a bummer. Furthermore, Trump urges Congress to go big or go home. This is really important, my friends, because I wanted to talk about this a little bit, and why this affects the election that's coming up very soon, is that Donald Trump, in my opinion, is kind of using this tactic to gain support from voters. So more people will vote for him. If people think that, oh, he's taking care of the people, he's saying go big or go home, you know, he's trying to use this as a negotiating tactic. So that's, you know, that's a really key factor. Look at this, stimulus, go big or go home. He tweeted this just hours after Pelosi sent a letter to colleagues accusing the White House of being unserious in its negotiations. That's big news. So those are the main updates, my friend, for today. And again, if you do enjoy these videos, please leave the video a big thumbs up, share feedback down below. And if you do want to sign up to be an Uber or Lyft driver and get a sign up bonus or guarantee of up to $2,400, use the links in the description down below. And again, if you do want to sign up for Yada Savings and enter with me to win up to $10 million every single week, go ahead and sign up for Yada Savings down below and let me know how much money you win. I've already personally won $14.25. Hey, better than nothing. So thank you so much for watching today's video. You get 100 tickets if you use my link down below. Thumbs up the video, and I will talk to y'all soon and see you tomorrow with another stimulus and news update video. Bye, guys.